Let's discuss about the propagation of flame. Propagation of flame. What is meant by propagation of flame? After reaching the ignition temperature, we all know that the combustion is started. For this, I will take in a space which is what is happening inside of the cylinder. It is I divided these layers, divided into layers, and I have taken a spark plug. This is the fuel, compressed fuel. Whenever the spark ignites the combustible charge, that means when it gives a spark, this spark will take in some time to reach the ignition temperature. Whenever it reaches the ignition temperature, beyond the ignition temperature, the combustion is stored. This combustion will start nearer to the area or region to the spark plug. The combustion is first started nearer to the region of spark plug. After that, it forms a flame font. You want to discuss about this flame font. This flame font, which is used to divide the region of fresh charge and combustible charge. What? It divides the region of fresh charge. This is called fresh charge. Fresh charge. This is combustible charge. This is the flame font. This flame font divides the fresh charge and combustible charge. This can be propagated to other. How? We can discuss about this. The heat that can be transferred from the combustible charge to the fresh charge and reaches the ignition temperature, and it can be started combustion. Then this forms the flame font, and this can be combustible. Then it transfers the heat into the near to that, and this can be combustible. Then it forms the flame font. After that, this transformed to the heat is transferred from the combustible charge to free charge. Then it forms the flame font. This can be combustible. Uh, do, by this the way how the combustion is take place and completed. This is the how the flame is propagated to near to the flame and transfer the heat and reaches the ignition temperature and combustible and forms another flame font and taken another and taken another. How this is the way how the flame is propagated. And third one is the most important stage. It is after burning. After burning, that is after completion of the combustion. After completion of combustion, we all know that we get P max. This can be applied on the piston top surface. We know that we get P maximum after TDC, when it reaches after TDC in actual case. It helps to reaches to done expansion. This is called after burning. After burning, what the stages that can be taken place in the inside of the cylinder.